Okay, first example, 3x minus y equals negative 18. X plus y equals 2. So I would like to have one variable at the end, but in the beginning, as you see, we have two variables, which are x and y. So I need to get rid of y. So let's see if I add them up. Just directly add them up, guys. Negative y plus y will be 0 plus 3x plus x will be 4x equals negative 18 plus 2, negative 16. 4x equals negative 16. X equals negative 16 divided by 4, which is negative 4. You just replace this x instead of using any equation, the first or the second equation, no problem. 3x minus y equals negative 18. X is negative 4. 3 times negative 4 minus y equals negative 18. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Negative y equals negative 18. Y goes to the right side as positive. Negative 18 comes to the left side as positive. The same will be 6. It's not hard. So try to solve question 2, 3, and 4. But in the second video, you'll see the solution of question 2.